Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find and copy your Bitget UID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application. And by default, you will be on the home page. So you need to tap on this dotted icon in the top left-hand corner. And here you will be able to see a section in the top where you can see your name as well as your account, whether it is verified or not, and a little section where you will be able to see your UID. If you tap on this section again, then you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see your UID. Now, in order to copy it, you just have to tap on the copy button, and it will show you that the user ID is now copied. Now you can use this UID wherever you want to use it. So that's basically how you can find and copy your Bitget UID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.